I wear an apron. I wear an apron. I wear an apron. I wipe the counter. I wipe the counter. I wipe the counter. I set the board. I set the board. I set the board. I take a knife. I take a knife. I take a knife. I read the recipe. I read the recipe. I read the recipe. I add salt. I add salt. I add salt. I set the pan. I set the pan. I set the pan. I rinse the colander. I rinse the colander. I rinse the colander. I peel a potato. I peel a potato. I peel a potato. I throw scraps away. I throw scraps away. I throw scraps away. I chop an onion. I chop an onion. I chop an onion. I move the onion. I move the onion. I move the onion. I measure water. I measure water. I measure water. I cover the bowl. I cover the bowl. I cover the bowl. I stir the bowl. I stir the bowl. I stir the bowl. I turn on the stove. I turn on the stove. I turn on the stove. I pour oil. I pour oil. I pour oil. I stir the pot. I stir the pot. I stir the pot. I add onion. I add onion. I add onion. I set a timer. I set a timer. I set a timer. I flip the food. I flip the food. I flip the food. I check the pot. I check the pot. I check the pot. I serve the food. I serve the food. I serve the food. I add pepper. I add pepper. I add pepper. I lower the heat. I lower the heat. I lower the heat. I taste the soup. I taste the soup. I taste the soup. I add lemon. I add lemon. I add lemon. I fill the bowl. I fill the bowl. I fill the bowl. I whisk the sauce. I whisk the sauce. I whisk the sauce. I cover the bowl. I cover the bowl. I cover the bowl. I add it back. I add it back. I add it back. I plate the food. I plate the food. I plate the food. I eat a bite. I eat a bite. I eat a bite. I use a napkin. I use a napkin. I use a napkin. I close the lid. I close the lid. I close the lid. I write a label. I write a label. I write a label. I scrub the pan. I scrub the pan. I scrub the pan. I tie the bag. I tie the bag. I tie the bag. I dry the dishes. I dry the dishes. I dry the dishes. Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to check out other videos on Easy English Club. See you next time.